What's up, guys? Here for another video. Sorry to say, but we are not going to be having any more videos. This is the last video. Sorry. Yeah. Well, it sucks. Here's the reason why. I uploaded that GTA. No, it wasn't for that. Let me think. Oh yeah, today's British Day. For me. You know, it's Sunday. That's British Day. So, I killed a wolf. What my father did. And now my grandfather, great-great-great-grandfather, passed it down to my other father, to my other father, to my other father, then to my other father. It just kept going down until me. It's locked up right now in a syrup bottle. I don't know why, but I ripped off the labels of every word of syrup besides one, which I cannot get to. It's not just water and food coloring, that's for one. And if you think that, I'm gonna hate you. Really? It's actual wolf blood. Listen, I drank it. No, I didn't. No, I didn't. Not yet. I might. No, no. But I really am part of. For one, my teeth, as sharp as a wolf's tooth. For two, I can crawl very fast. Three, it's in my blood, and my grandma's mom, her last name, my grandma's parents, the last name was so my mom would have been a wolf, and I would have been a wolf if the girls kept the last name. So, here we go. We're going to show you what I have. Here we go. Ready or not? Because if you're not, well then you're scared. So, here's that little thing. Hold on, I gotta turn my brightness up. Or not. Let's just keep going. Here's that little thing. I'm gonna open it. See those little arrows. And then that little arrow, I don't know if you can see that. But anyways, we're gonna open that. Hold on. The arrows really have to match. There's 3 of both. So that. 2 surveillance. But it's 3 because the glass bottle. Now that is real blood. It's been sitting in there for a very long time. That's why it's bright. Shake it up. And then while I'm shaking it up, ask you a question, and guess what? It answers me with a small little whisper. Does Taylor like me? As a friend? Yes. Both on yes. But anyways, we're gonna put that back in the middle. My brother's in there playing, you know, who cares? He's playing Midnight Club. I don't really like that game. He's playing it. Have you seen my fish yet? Let's turn this sideways. Is a sea tank? Sea fish? What? Hold on. I have to look at my brother's car. What?
Let's get my rank.
Hold on, let me get closer. Rank Elite Racer. Pretty nice like that, Billy. Show your face real quick.
No.
Let's keep moving on. My brother's a huge fan of cars, and I didn't really get close to my John Wall Z things. So let's keep my shot out of the way. Dragon Z cards, and I have a geode. I need to get a light on that. Here. You like that? Yeah. That's weird. Dragon Z, Vegeta, Go Tanks, Zero Ghost. It's Ghost because you can't see it. Yeah, you can. Recently I just got on a row. I called this. I collect keys.
Haze.
Oh, you can't see it.
Oh, I can't say it.
Shut up, Billy. This is
Shut up.
Sunday is British Day.
Somebody's British.
Fish. The air tank. Lemons. That is Bonnie. That dude. She is Dory. Raspy. Trigger. Trigger number 2. Rabbit. Purple 2. Yellow. So yellow on freaking the eye. We have pistol shrimp. A baby that is really shy. Here we can see him. Better turn on the lights in here. My dad modeled this into that thing. See that little tail moving? I see that, don't you? Huh. I can also speak. Oh, there's Angel. He finally came out. There's Angel. He can change colors and all. Not very bright because he's purple. Yep, he's just purple. He also has he used to have some red on that, but now it just has bluish, purplish, yellow. Yeah, there it is. That's our last video for today, and one last thing. April Fools! That wasn't our last day, but everything else was true. That blood and everything. That was a nice April Fools, wasn't it? But if you believed all that, I'm sure you want to know. But the blood and everything, it was true. You gotta believe me. Have a nice day. This is Jumbo Boy. Capital D-B, boy spelled with B-O-E. No, B-O-I. See ya. British Day also, Boston Boy. Make your Sundays Boston Boy. See ya. Have a nice day. This is Jumbo Boy. For the last time. Oh, one last thing. I can't even trust my brother with this. Let's try to find any words with syrup on them. I didn't see anything. Of course you don't, it's too blurry. Oh crap, I found one. See the second word right there? No, the third one. That's the third one. Yep. That's us for today. See ya.